If you're thinking about remodeling your kitchen, let me guess, you don't even know where to start? Your current kitchen is not working for you. Your current kitchen layout feels off, and you realize that maybe you need to remodel your kitchen, but the idea feels overwhelming, and honestly, that's where most people get stuck. Hi, I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens, and for over 20 years, I've been helping homeowners who felt just like you, working around a kitchen with a layout that didn't work. Most kitchens I see are not designed for the way we live today. They were designed for the way we lived 20, 30 years ago. Back when kitchens were closed off, cooking was isolated, and storage needs were simpler. That is not how we live today. We have more kitchen gadgets than we ever did before. And let's face it, the kitchen is where everything happens. It's where kids do homework, where guests gather when you host. It's where mornings begin and evenings end. And yet, the kitchen layout works against you every step of the way. The kitchen feels cramped. There's never enough counters where you need them. Cabinets, storage, you have it, but it seems like nothing fits. Most homeowners ignore or learn to live with. You learn to memorize which cabinet is the annoying one. You know that one, the one that doesn't shut correctly? Or you stack things where they don't belong. And over time, this wears on you. You start to wonder, why doesn't it feel easier? Why don't I enjoy hosting instead of being so stressed out? And here's the part where most people get it wrong. They think that the solution is to make cosmetic changes to the kitchen. For example, like getting new cabinets or getting new countertops, getting a new backsplash. And the issue is really the layout. And if you don't change the layout, then nothing is going to change in your kitchen. So a good kitchen remodel starts with the layout, the roadmap to your kitchen renovation. This is when good design and planning totally shifts the outcome. A good kitchen design isn't about making the kitchen look better, it's about making it work better. It's about creating work zones that support the way you cook in your kitchen. It's about creating prep space where you need it. Sometimes a good design means that you have to rethink your kitchen space. Sometimes it means that you have to remove walls. You have to rethink the layout. The key is not to create a kitchen that looks better, but we want to create a kitchen that works better. The ultimate goal, of course, is to give you a kitchen that works better. A kitchen remodel is not just a project. A kitchen designed properly is a transformation. Because when the kitchen is done right, cooking feels easier. Entertaining feels so much enjoyable. And the kitchen becomes the joyful center of your home as it's supposed to be. To help you with your kitchen planning, I have created a downloadable kitchen planning guide that you can download. This helps you plan and design a kitchen around your needs so that you have more joy and less regrets. If you're tired of struggling with your own kitchen, we help homeowners all over Massachusetts resolve their kitchen struggles. Download the guide, or better yet, give us a call so that we can schedule a consultation so that we can start the process of helping you overcome all these kitchen issues and finally enjoy a kitchen that you love. Come again next week as I will have another video. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. Bye-bye for now. Bye.
This is a good day, yes, any